Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to set preferred languages on YouTube, audio, titles and descriptions. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You can watch videos in your preferred language. Some videos may offer audio, titles and descriptions in additional languages. You can set your preferred languages for audio, titles and descriptions on the web or in the YouTube app. Note: your preferred language setting is separate from your app language and location settings. It does not impact your search results or video recommendations. Set your preferred language for audio, title and descriptions. Content with the original audio in one of your preferred languages will not be translated, and will default to the original audio. This setting applies for translations of audio, dubs, titles and descriptions. You can indicate your preferred languages on web or in the YouTube app. Computer. Click your profile picture. Click Settings. Click Playback and Performance. Under Language, click Add or Edit Languages. Select the languages. Click Confirm. Phone. Tap your profile picture. Tap Settings. Tap Languages. Tap Preferred Languages. Select the languages. Tap Confirm. Change the audio language of a specific video if you want to listen to a video in a different language, and that video has other languages available. You can go to the video that you want to watch. In the video player, select Settings. Select Audio Track. Choose your preferred language. If the video has a translated title and video description, you can search for it using these translations. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.